Welcome to Mommy Bibing! Please subscribe, share, like, comment, and hit the notification bell for the next video. Thank you so much. Guys, I'll bring you to different dimension of my vlog. For today's vlog, it's all about gold. So come on, let's discover the rich culture and history of the Filipino people. So come on guys, join with me as I tour you in this Ayala Museum and show you the different kinds and sizes of golds as ornaments for their bodies. In each display of the gold, there is label kung saan ito nanggaling, where it came from, and then how heavy the gold is and what kind of gold is that. There is description. Most of the gold came from Surigao, Butuan, and Agusan as shown outside the building in their tarp na reuniting the Surigao treasure. And the rest of the golds came from different parts of the Philippines. This museum composed of 4 floors. So, after paying from the reception area, the guide will send you off to the 4th floor. Dito mo talaga makikita kung how rich the culture of the Filipino noong unang panahon, because the Filipinos before wearing these golds for their bodies as ornaments. This is also golds. This Ayala Museum is located in Greenbelt Park. You can also Google the exact address or the location. The museum is really worth the visit kasi you can see the Filipino culture. You can see our culture, how rich it is. All you can say is wow when you are inside this room kasi napapalibutan ito lahat-lahat siya ng gold. Everywhere you can see is gold. So how much more yung mga ninuno natin na sumusuot ng ganito kadaming mga gold sa kanilang katawan. O diba, the Filipinos are rich in gold. Grabe, oh. Look at these rings. Rings, earrings, bangles, necklace, ornaments, ear ornaments. Container, 363.6 grams. Cord weight. Ambog man.
Alis na Mindanao, lahat na nakita.
Cord weight.
Talaga lahat na nakita.
Ano yan? Ear ornament. Ear ornament. Ear ornament. Stud, Eastern Visayas. Hilt, Northeastern Mindanao. Ladle, hilt. Hilt, knife pad, handle, hilt, tweezers, pendant, Butuan, Agusan, Northeastern Mindanao, Surigao. Northeastern Mindanao, Surigao. Tandag, oh. Neck ornament, Surigao, 612 grams, 812 grams. Garuda ornaments. Ear ornament, Butuan, Agusan, Eastern Visayas. Ear ornament, Butuan. Diadem, galing ng Eastern Visayas. Diadem at saka belt, Diadem, Northeastern Mindanao. Belt, Tandag, Surigao. Ang belt, 14 grams. Ang diadem, 24 point.
Waistline na ano ko may.
Ornament, ear ornament. Liluan, Litis, Cebu.
Dami niya. Lahat ng dapat. Halos lahat to. Sagusan. Lahat talaga nito sagusan.
Agusan, di ba?
Surigao.
Siyempre, hindi mo siya.
Ito Cebu. Bowl, cover, Surigao. Container, Surigao. 30.1, 52.9, 18.1. Goblet, 41.9 grams, Surigao. Waistband, Surigao, 575.1 grams. Cuff, Surigao, 204 grams. Sash, 1,056.2 grams. Sash, 793.1 grams. Sash, 530.5 grams. Sash, 82.4 grams. 296 grams. Surigao. Ito lahat galing. Diadem, Northeastern Mindanao, 48.3 centimeter grams. Sash, Surigao, 1,021 grams, 1,023 grams, 306 grams, 537 grams. Sash. Ano to? Chastity cover, Butuan, 32.7 grams, 55.4 grams, 63.4 grams, 19.2 grams. To rings, Laguna, Eastern Visayas, Laguna, Pinagbayanan, Filial. Ganda oh, ear ornament. It's arat.
Before pa naka-colonize ng
Oh, yeah. Before pa namin
Before pa. Ganyan kanlayaman yung ano.
Hindi mo mayaman yan. Ito yung pinakamalaki.
The biggest. Ano yan? From Filial, Surigao Treasure. 21.7 grams. Ito ang isa, halter. Halter, 3.8, 160 grams ang halter. Oh, grabe. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, share, like, comment, and hit the notification bell for the next video. Thank you so much. God bless everyone. Bye.